The year was 1977. A former peanut farmer entered the White House. The king of rock and roll left the building for good. And everyone, it seemed, had a case of Saturday night fever.
In Livingston, New Jersey, another momentous event was taking place. After years of planning, the Burn Center at Saint Barnabas Medical Center opened its doors. For the first time, New Jersey residents had a quality burn center they could turn to for specialized care. Fast forward 40 years to 2017. The Burn Center has grown to become one of the largest, busiest, and most advanced centers in the United States, providing thousands of people every year with the finest burn care available. This success is no accident. It was built on three key pillars: a commitment to improving patient care, an ongoing program of community outreach, and the generosity of our friends and neighbors whose support enables us to continue our mission of care and education. From the very beginning, the Burn Center's multidisciplinary team of healthcare professionals has remained committed to continually improving the quality of care we provide.
In 1992, this meant taking the major step of moving from the basement of Saint Barnabas to the second floor, which allowed us to combine the ICU and step-down units, add a rehabilitation room and a solarium as well as playroom. It also provided additional space for social services, case managers, and other members of the burn team to help patients and families cope with the anger, guilt, and frustration often associated with the recovery process.
In 1982, Saint Barnabas was one of the first burn centers in the nation to replace its Hubbard tank with a more efficient shower trolley system. Today, the Burn Center features two state-of-the-art hydrotherapy rooms designed to reduce infection rates and promote healing.
In the wake of a large dormitory fire in 2000 and the events of September 11th, the burn team recognized a need to respond better to large-scale incidents. By 2005, the Burn Center formed the Eastern Regional Burn Disaster Consortium to expand our disaster capabilities.
In 2009, the Burn Center expanded its services once again to meet community needs by establishing a wound and burn outpatient center. Treating more than 6,000 patients per year, this new center provides the best in care for even the smallest of burns.
Since its founding, the Burn Center has placed a strong emphasis on building meaningful ties to the communities we serve. This commitment is exemplified by the wide range of nationally recognized clinical education and prevention programs. From our mobile fire safety house trailers that show children how to escape a burning building, to partnering with state agencies to distribute smoke alarms in high-risk areas, the burn team knows the best way to treat a burn is to prevent one.
Jersey's firefighters are one of the most important communities we serve. While the Burn Center is committed to keeping all people safe, we've always maintained an especially close relationship with New Jersey Fire Services, whose members risk their lives to rescue and transport people injured in fires and who are at special risk for burn injuries themselves.
As we were lining in, my two members were in front of me, and I was right behind them. Debris collapse, a partial collapse of the ceiling fell on top of us, knocked my helmet off, and my hood went back, and debris got jammed between my hood and my neck.
I could feel my ears just heating up immensely. It wasn't until a couple of the guys came up to me though and started saying things that I realized it was a little bit worse than I had anticipated.
The progress the Burn Center has made over the past 40 years is due in no small measure to the tremendous financial support we receive from the community. Every year, local residents and firefighters demonstrate their generosity by hosting or participating in a range of fundraising events, from foot and ski races to cook-off competitions. Events like these make it possible for the Burn Center to continue its mission of offering hope to burn survivors and their families when it's needed most.
A lot has changed since 1977. From our humble beginnings, the Burn Center at Saint Barnabas Medical Center has grown to become one of the leading burn centers in the country. What hasn't changed is our commitment to provide the highest quality burn treatment.
Because day in and day out, through emergencies large and small, it's still about making sure we are keeping our communities safe. Of course, no one takes the job more seriously than the firefighters who face life-threatening hazards every day. So tonight, we honor the courage it takes to face those dangers by honoring firefighters everywhere, especially our 2017 VALOR Award honorees.